So the Royal British Legion, its mission is to make sure that anybody who has served in the UK Armed Forces or their dependents get the support and help they need. And we use data to inform what we're doing in order to make sure that we actually meet the need as it presents. The Census 2021 data opens up a realm of possibilities. It might surprise you to know that up until this point, we've never definitively known how many veterans of the UK Armed Forces there actually are. The Census 2021 data is going to give us the first full comprehensive picture of where veterans are. This means that we can inform how we provide services, as well as identifying where there is potentially a disadvantage that a veteran or their family might face, and advocating on their behalf to go to local authorities, to go to government and say, this is where a statutory provision of service needs to be put in place. Everything we do needs to be based in data, and it needs to be based in research so that we know we are meeting the needs that are out there, not just the needs that potentially have hit a headline. However, it is not just the charity sector that this is going to be useful for. It's also going to be useful for our statutory partners, so the NHS, local authorities, government. They're all based on the principle of the Armed Forces Covenant, that those who have served in the UK Armed Forces will never face disadvantage in access to goods or services. And in fact, for those who have sacrificed the most, such as the injured and bereaved, maybe they should be worthy of some special consideration when it comes to service provision. Now, in order to meet those needs, and especially to identify where there's disadvantage, we need to have a comparator. Census 2021 will start to show that up. We'll be able to see whether there are elements of the veteran population which are potentially showing up a disadvantage for veterans over the UK civilian population, and that's something that we will then be able to effectively advocate on behalf of the armed forces community to try and get change made where it's needed.